What? Who left this here? Santa came last night. Let's get this show on the road, shall we? Welcome back to the channel. It's Dane Scott from Dane Scott's Truckers Lounge. Trying to wake up this morning. It's an early morning. Mr. Wizard and I are taking a road trip. And you guys will get to see why I'm taking a road trip. So stick around town. Make sure you like and subscribe. Grab that hot trucker's coffee. Get your slippers. Sit down in your easy chair. And let me do all the work. Oh yeah. What do you guys think? Eh? That's right.
Oh man,
how you doing?
Good to see you.
You too. Nice to meet you.
Pleasure to meet you as
this
well.
This is Rick McAllister, George Weaver.
This is great.
Yeah.
I'm excited for you. I have this tinge of little sadness in my heart.
I know. I know how it goes. I've felt that feeling several times.
I'm sure you have. But this is, I'm so glad it's going to the right hands.
Oh yeah.
Everybody around here is asking to watch your channel.
Awesome.
They want to see what's going on. So
yeah, definitely.
It's
real easy to find. As a matter of fact, I just did, and it was pure coincidence that I did a K-100 episode Sunday. I was already working on it.
That's interesting. I saw that. That was good.
Already working on it, and before I even saw this. So I got to take just a quick second here to give a shout out to George Weaver and his company NHT Logistics in Denver, Pennsylvania. That's where we picked up the KW, and I'm telling you what a awesome experience it was there. All the employees are so nice, and top-notch operation. The shop was so clean. I mean, you could eat off the floors in the shop. Just very clean, and all their trucks are nice, and they do everything top-notch there. I'm very impressed, and so I got to thank you, George, for your hospitality. And George took us to lunch and made sure we were prepared and ready to go. And before we left there, I asked him, I said, where's the best place to buy fuel around here? And he says, oh no, he says, we're going to top you off before you leave. So he had me drive over, and he filled the tanks so I could return home. And so I just appreciate it. And I'm sure you're going to be happy in the coming months with what you see on your guys' truck. o'clock in the morning. We left this morning at 7 a.m. Yeah, long day. This video is brought to you by BRUNT, transforming high-performing workwear. There ain't no flip-flops in this truck. So I got to tell you guys, a big part of this hobby of old trucks and old school trucking and what used to make America great still does. I mean, you drivers are still out there doing it, but it's a different age. But the old school stuff, a lot of the younger generation hasn't seen. And it just kind of makes their eyes go, wow, never saw anything like that. So in the spirit of recognizing that, I'm going to share with you a few little rides here that we've given at the Truckers Lounge over the last year or two, and see some smiling faces of the young crowd that got to ride in old school, cool trucks. Hey, buddy. Say, honk the horn, Papa. Okay guys, we're going to call that a wrap. But before we go, I want to let you know about some cool truck shows still coming up. There's a lot of trucking left in the summer, so don't hang your head up yet, all right? First of all, I want to give a shout out to Ray Cerny and to Martin, you know who you are, for a great show yesterday at the Tri-Vista Cerny Motors Show. Great turnout, great weather, great people and fellowship with a meal afterwards. Top notch, guys, good job. Also, coming up, and I don't have a flyer for it, but I want to keep reminding you, the Dying Breed Diesels family reunion, and you can go to their Facebook page, Dying Breed Diesels. If you're not on it now, you're in the minority. But go to the page and look at everything that's there. But his show, Braden Tucker puts that on, and that is in downtown Columbiana, Ohio, October 14th, I believe, second Saturday. And I think it starts at 3 o'clock, 2 or 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Check it on the site. It's right downtown Columbiana, no trailers, okay? So, and that's like the 5th year running. Always a great show there too. So here is flyers from what I have, and if you guys have a show you want me to feature, send me a nice picture of a flyer or a PDF file or just a nice dead-on picture of your flyer, and I'll put it on here. So guys, check out these flyers. And hey, keep the hammer down, safe and sound.